Memphis he from? What part?
You got them dreads, bitch.
What part of Memphis he from? You dodging my motherfucking question. What part of Memphis he from? What part?
You got them dreads.
Look, she still said the same. She got them dreads, but she can't even answer my motherfucking question. She can't even answer my motherfucking question. She can't even answer my motherfucking question. She can't roast for shit. You lame as hell. You lame. You're lame. You're lame. You're lame. You're lame. I'm already exposing your shit. You're a loser. Everything you stand for, you're a loser. Hey, so wait a minute. So you stay at your boyfriend's house, right? It's you and your boyfriend, right?
I got my own shit, bitch.
But you just say, babe, get up. But you just say, babe, get up. Basically, you use your boyfriend food stamps and shit. You use your boyfriend. You use your boyfriend. You use him for $20 so you can get your hair did and shit with your ugly ass. Now what?
I don't get food stamps because I work hard. I don't get food stamps.
Where you work at? Where you work at? Where you work at? Where you work at?
I work too hard for food stamps.
Where the fuck you work at? Answer my motherfucking question. Where the fuck you work at?
Where I work?
Yeah.
Where I work?
Yeah, I'm asking you a question. Where you work at?
I'm an in-home nanny, bitch.
So you work from home with your lazy ass. You can't even go out and work a job with your fat ass.
Bitch,
I just exposed you.
At my house, bitch.
You just say you work from home?
City,
Wait, you say you work where?
I'm an in-home nanny, bitch.
You an in-home nanny. What the fuck is that?
Yes. I go to their house, do what I gotta do, and leave at night, bitch.
So wait a minute. So you go to random people's house for the in-home and you come back to your house.
It ain't random. It ain't random, bitch.
Them folks will shoot your fat ass and shit. Now you stupid as fuck. They pick that fucked up ass job and shit. Go work at Kroger somewhere. Go work at Amazon somewhere. Look, she mad. Ooh! Ooh, she mad. Bitch, you lame. Ooh, she lame. You a AKA babysitter like that man said and shit. My nigga Tay said that. Tay said you a babysitter. Tay said you a babysitter.
So, I'm not a babysitter for kids, bitch. I'm a babysitter for your grandma, bitch.
Now she's talking about your grandmama, Tay.
Your ass up in a minute, bitch.
Now she threatened to beat up an old lady. Wow. She threatened to beat up an old lady.
Yeah.
Hey, say what's up to YouTube, because you going on there.
Who?
And I'm going to say the live stream. And I'm going to add out the video content for your weird ass. Now what?
I'm ready.
She weird, bro. Tell me I'm ready. And why you adding me? Why you adding me on here?
Lock it up. And
why you add me on Monkey Out if I'm lying? Why you add me?
I didn't add you, bitch.
It just say accept on my end.
You talk too much motherfucking shit, bitch. You got the right to add me.
Why I gotta add you? It give me the option to accept it though. You just add me. Hey, y'all, she lying. Did she just add me? Did she just add me, y'all? It said accept on my screen. Did the fuck she add me, y'all? Did she add me, y'all? Cause she lying.
You said something to me.
She lying. Hey, I'm not
me.
talking to you no more. I'm talking to the chat. I'm talking to the chat. I'm talking to the chat. Bitch, you a fast food worker and shit. What's your ugly ass? Get your ugly ass up out of here. You ain't know how to make them burgers right with your fast ass, bitch. Hey, you make burgers, you take customer burgers, you eat all them burgers with your fat ass hoe. You can't roast. You have no jokes. You say the same shit. Hey y'all, do I say the same shit when I roast her ass? Did I say the same shit? Did I say the same shit? Everybody in my chat, did I say the same shit? She said I'm jealous. What the fuck I gotta be a jealous to a broke bitch? You go to random people's house. You go to random people's house and shit with your broke ass. You need all the money and shit. You not making more money. You go to random people's house for babysit. The fuck? What the fuck Cash App gotta do with it, you dumbass? What the fuck does Cash App gotta do with it?
My brother say on every app you be on, you always put your Cash App. You broke ass bitch.
I'm broke? Wow, I'm broke. But you go to random people's house ask for money. Hold on. Hey, let me talk. I'm off work today. I work and shit. I go out and work and shit. When I come home, I do my spare time, expose bitch ass niggas like you, and I make monkey out content and shit. That's what I do. You already got exposed.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck you, fuck your YouTube, fuck everybody.
Wow, she say fuck y'all, so y'all.
My life and ain't got nothing to do with your life. Y'all just talking shit. Because everything you talk about on YouTube is false.
How the fuck is false? I talk about on
I'm famous on YouTube.
You're not famous. What? Hey, what's your
Everybody
YouTube?
know, man.
What's your YouTube? What's your YouTube?
You got false information.
What's your YouTube?
You got false.
What's your YouTube and you laughing? What the fuck is your YouTube? You famous. What is your YouTube? What is your YouTube? What is your YouTube?
Fuck you, bitch. Look
Not
at
now
me.
it's fuck me because I asked what's on YouTube.
Oh, why? Why?
Because you say you famous though. Prove that you're famous. Prove it.
So you can
Prove that you're famous. Prove it.
So you can try to tear me down, bitch?
Why would the fuck I sure? I just want to look you up if you really famous then. I'm trying to see what content you posted then.
Well, what? So you can be... Baby, somebody's ringing our doorbell. Somebody ringing our doorbell, baby. Hold on, let me check it.
Fucking weird asshole. She weird as hell, y'all.
No, your mama weird.
Look, now she in the background say your mama weird. That's the best joke you got. The mama joke's not hitting. The mama joke's not hitting. So let me get this straight. Let me get this straight. So you go to random people's house, huh?
I bet you they can't even afford you.
Bruh, hey, fuck all the joking shit. Now I'm asking you a real question. Now I'm asking a real question. So you go to random people's house trying to get money. That what you basically do?
I go to random people's house and I work.
You say you were in home something, so
I
obviously
can show you my house if you want to see my house.
I don't
got a
care.
king-size bed in my room. If you want to see my house, I give you a good tour. Cause I'm not a
Go ahead and show it to the live.
Yeah,
Show
go
us in the
ahead.
live. Show us in the live then.
I can show you my house. It don't matter to me.
Show us. Show us.
I can show you one part of my house right here.
Show us.
I can show you. Okay, that is my picture right there.
That hoe ain't got no furniture in there.
And that motherfucker is $900 motherfucking dollars. That's a hip hop picture.
$900 for a fucking house?
And you know what? I'm trying to put Pop Smokes. My uncle just passed. I want to put Pop Smokes in it. It's Master P. All the motherfuckers in one picture. I'm trying to put Pop Smokes because I love that motherfucker to death. I want to put Nipsey Hussle in the top. But everybody say I can't put Nipsey Hussle because Biggie is at the top. So I don't want to put nobody. But I want to put my uncle because my uncle's a legend.
Damn, them folks say you got a studio apartment.
My uncle used to be on all the motherfucker. My uncle, his son used to be on what was it? Andre? No. Was it Andre 3000? I don't know. My family is big. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I don't give a fuck. And I'm not gonna name everybody because you gotta be respectful, right? Because you know they won't fuck with us if we do this.
Damn, them folks say you got a studio apartment.
But hey,
Them folks say you in a studio apartment. That's what they said.
I'm not in a studio apartment. I'm in a house. I'm in a duplex. A duplex is better than a fucking apartment. I'm in a duplex. So a duplex is a whole home.
All right. Go outside then. Prove that's your house. Go outside.
Bitch, why would I go outside?
You just went outside. You just say somebody at the door.
Are you stupid? You weirdo.
I'm a weirdo, but I'm telling you to go outside then. You just got up and shit. So now you lazy?
5th grade. Thinking, motherfucker. No,
Why? I'm reading the chat. I'm reading the chat. What they say about you? They said, bro, let me read the chat. They said why? Let me read the chat. Can you be quiet? They said why did she raise her voice when you said how the chat said that she had a studio apartment? And Tay said, ask her what was the last bill she paid. Now they want to know what's the last bill you paid.
The last bill, my bill was $982. Babe, can you please come over here and tell them? Because that's what I pay every month for my fucking townhome. I paid $982 a month. That's what I do. That's me. That's why I work hard. That's why I do what I do. When I came on here and I swiped, this is Monkey. You came off on me. My sister told me about Monkey. I don't know about Monkey. I never did. So
Let me stop. Hey, let me.
And I didn't know y'all motherfuckers was rude. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. She didn't tell me. So fuck her advertising motherfucking ass. No, fuck that. Because I didn't know y'all
Wait,
was rude.
so wait a minute. You say fuck your sister? Why you say fuck your sister?
I didn't know what y'all was up to. Bitch.
Why you say fuck your sister? What she?
Because I didn't know what this app was about. She told me about that.
The folks say you selling your body and they say you cap. Damn.
I'm selling my body. I'm selling my damn. I must okay. Then that's where the thousands come from. Then I'm selling my body.
Everybody say you capping.
Wow, that's beautiful. I'm selling my body. Wow.
And let me tell you this. She said I came for her. First of all, you say who the fuck you talking to? I was talking to my homeboy. I just got done arguing with the other girl for being rude, but you came at me for you said some weird shit to me. You say some rude shit, so that's why I had to pop out my shit.
No, you came at me first. Come on.
How did I came at you?
I
Hey Adam, did I came at her y'all? Did I came at her y'all?
You went off. Soon as, come here, doggy. I gotta get comfort for my baby because y'all rude as fuck. Like, what the fuck? Like, I came on here and I swiped, and you just start talking.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I don't know about this app. I don't know about this app. My sister told me about this app. Tomorrow, you can have fun and all this shit. I didn't know it was gonna be live dicks. I didn't know it was gonna be shit that was on this motherfucker.
What she tell you a goddamn lie. Ain't nobody safe on Monkey. Everybody talk shit on Monkey and shit. Monkey App is toxic and shit. That's what Monkey App for. You can try to meet friends, but I don't come here to meet friends. I come here to roast niggas and shit like that. And I do this for content. I be doing this shit for way long. If you want to keep it real. I don't be on the app all day. I do that to make people laugh and shit like that. That's my content. That's my shit.
And when I came on here, you went off on me. That's why I went off. That's why I went hard. Because I didn't know what you was talking about. When you talked about my hair and everything and my weight. I didn't know what the fuck.
Look, Adam agreed with me. He said I did not come at you. Even he said that.
Huh?
My nigga Adam said that I did not come at you.
Yeah, you did. You did. You was going off. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. You was going off like freestyling. I don't know what the fuck you was doing, but you was going off. When I first came into it, you was coming off, yo. Word to my mother. You was coming off. I ain't gonna lie. You was. That's why I went off like, damn, he coming at me? The fuck? Like, what the fuck?
Nah, cause you,
like,
you was butting my conversation.
My sister should have been more clear when she told me about this motherfucking app. Then I would have said something. What the fuck? Like,
does your parents tell you to hey, does your parents teach you how to stay out of grown folks' business? Do they teach you that?
Do you know how old I am?
How old are you?
How old do I look?
You look 25.
I'm 34.
So you're 34 years old and you don't know how to stay out of grown folks' business and you gonna cuss people out for no reason. I'm only 20. I'm 22 years old.
No, you cussed me out first. You cussed me out first. Come on, man. Come on, we grown. Like, I ain't gotta do all that. I really don't. I'm 34 years old. I was born 1989. I know what I'm talking about. Like, come on. I'm not a liar. That's where I get where I'm
Lauren, let me read the chat. Tay said, Lauren, she trying to sell you her ass too. That's why she ain't left. She's trying to sell.
No, you really got a chat or you just talking?
I'm live on YouTube. You want my YouTube?
I don't want your YouTube, but is you just lying?
Why would I lie? I'm reading. You can look at the chat your damn self.
Why you ain't showing me on your phone? Why is it disappearing?
You on the phone right now, right?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm.
No, I'm asking you a question. Are you on the phone right now?
I see a gray screen, my nigga.
Are you on your phone right now? Answer my question.
I am on my phone.
Okay, since you on your phone, go to my YouTube then. Because you think I'm talking to myself the whole time.
YouTube, yo. I don't want to. But I'm telling you, you came at me first, and I was listening to your broadcast, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I was listening to it, and then I heard you talking about me, and I'm looking at myself like.
Yeah, I came at you because you butted my conversation.
Nigga.
I don't like people do that.
Because you was talking about me, nigga.
I'm
Like, come on,
uh,
be real, nigga.
I'm damn near 40 and I stay out of people's business. Exactly, Tay.
I wasn't in nobody's business. I'm strolling.
And hey, Drake said, I'm 16. I know how to stay out of people's business.
I have the right to say what I want to say. Come on now. I have the right to say what I want to say because you want to say what you want to say, right? You crazy?
And I already told you you was in my business when I was talking to my niggas. How the fuck I was bugging? Now you making shit up. Obviously, you making shit up. You was already being rude when I said, "Oh, what's up, man?" You roll your eyes at me and shit like that. That's how the argument started. And I literally just said, "You don't gotta be rude like that." That's what you hoes be doing. You females do that. Y'all don't have no respect for nobody when somebody trying to be nice to you and shit like that.
I was rolling my eyes, but I never said nothing. Come on, man.
That's being rude then. Come on, man.
If you was recording, you can hear everything I said because your homeboy was in the back. I don't know if he was on the phone.
We live on Instagram. We was live on Instagram. Everybody heard you. You going outside today.
But you was wrong at the end of the day.
Okay.
You said what you said. I'm
Okay.
wrong.
Oh, I'm wrong. Okay. Oh, okay, y'all. I'm wrong.
You came for me, yo.
I came at you.
Well, when I strolled through, you said whatever you said about my wig or whatever the fuck.
Nah, the chat talk about your wig. I was going along with the chat, and I just say your wig.
I'm sitting down. Hey, you can look me up. I'm not a big chick like you think I am. I got a small waist, big butt. I mean.
Why won't you stand up then? It's not that
I
hard.
don't have to stand up. I don't have to.
You just stand up a minute ago. Go open the door for somebody.
I don't have to. I don't have to stand up. What the fuck?
Them folks say why the fuck you drinking Kool-Aid from a glass? Oh God. She could have drank from the regular cup. Stupid ass.
I'm drinking Kool-Aid. This is what I'm drinking. All together. What you mean? What you mean?
Hey y'all, she drunk as hell.
What you mean?
I can tell she drunk. Now she digging her nose.
What you think?
That is so nasty. Why you digging your nose? You got no respect for people.
I didn't dig in my nose. I did this.
But like I said, if you really want the itchy, bro, you can come down to Memphis though.
No, you came for me, so I came for you. At the end of the day, hey, you better know me. I do comedy. I do everything.
Well, you're not funny to me though. I'm from Memphis.
For you. So I don't give a fuck about no funny shit.
I'm a real Memphis nigga though. I could tell if you're funny or not.
Maybe you going to sleep.
I'm telling you, Lauren, she wants you, bro. How she want me? She got a man.
I don't fucking want this man. I can't even see him. This ain't.
Lala, why she stuttering? Why get your words out? Why you stuttering?
This nigga's in the atmosphere. I don't know this nigga. I haven't seen his face. I don't want
Then
this
she
man.
said atmosphere, and that's the best joke you got.
I don't even know this man. I can't see his face. I can't do nothing.
Now the chat came. Now the chat getting to your head. That's crazy. Oh my. Y'all say she boring?
Fuck you, bitch. How the fuck am I boring, bitch? I'm boring. That nigga making up his own shit, you know.
How I'm making up my own shit? That's what the chat said.
Making up your own shit, nigga.
Okay.
You making up your own shit. How am I boring? What the fuck?
She from the streets.
Look,
them folks say you from the streets. You fuck anyone.
Match my money, bitch.
Them folks say you from the streets. You fuck with anybody. Like I said, if you want to fight my girlfriend, she'd be more than happy to be hoes like you.
Oh, I'm ready for it, because I'm a banger, baby.
My girlfriend way skinny than your fat ass. I ain't gonna lie.
It's okay that she's smaller than me. It's okay. I just have more cushion. I have more cushion.
Hey, I bet how many sit-ups you can do? How many sit-ups you can do?
How many sit-ups I can do?
Yeah.
I can't do no sit-ups. I'm not worried about
Cause you fat. That's why. Cause she fat.
I'm not fat, bitch.
But you have no muscle, so you got bones in your arms and shit. You need to get
Can
some
they
surgery.
see me?
Yeah, they can see you. I put you on my live. Yeah. You in my live. I'm talking to you on my computer. I'm live on YouTube and Twitch. She would pass out trying to fight your girl, Lawrence.
I can't pass out fighting nobody.
But she won't come to Memphis though. I just
I
won't.
mean, nowadays you only shoot, right? I can shoot.
But you from New York, right? Y'all niggas shoot in New York also. Y'all rape little kids. The fuck?
You said rape what?
Y'all niggas in New York be saying suck my dick a lot and shit. I know your ways ain't talking about Memphis.
Hey, don't fucking disrespect us, nigga.
Fuck New York. Y'all say suck my dick a lot.
Don't fucking say we rape kids. Nigga.
Y'all do rape kids and shit. Y'all do that.
Oh, you a motherfucking liar,
You
bitch.
now she get emotional. Now she get emotional shit because I'm speaking facts about her city, New York.
I got fucking nieces and nephews, bitch. Don't ever fucking say that.
And guess what? You gonna when they grow up, you gonna teach your nieces and nephews how to rape little kids and pick on somebody. I got nieces and nephews also. I got 2 nieces and I got 1 nephew. My oldest niece 12 years old. My middle niece 4 years old. My nephew 1 year old.
You on my podcast? That's crazy.
I'm what?
You on my podcast? You been on my podcast for a minute.
What? Hey, and you on my YouTube now? What? You on my YouTube? I'm on your podcast now. What?
Why would you say that?
How she going to come to Memphis? She wouldn't get up from her so-called house, studio, apartment living ass. Hey, let me stop you right there. That's a good question.
He said New York City is raping?
Y'all do rape people in New York. Y'all say suck my dick a lot. You let a whole rat run your city. You let the snitch nine run your city, and you don't do shit about it.
Bitch, he ain't got nothing to do with us, bitch.
You're Uncle Tom. You're Uncle Tom, and you don't do shit with a rat run your motherfucking city and shit.
Okay, bitch, go get that nigga if you really.
Why would I go get the nigga? You in New York? I'm in Memphis. She's stupid as hell. I told you she makes shit up.
Nuts as fuck. I ain't in New York City, bitch.
All right, where you actually from then?
I ain't in New York City, you dumb nut ass nigga.
Where are you from then?
This nigga sick.
But you just said that don't come for us then when I talk about New York. So obviously you from New York.
Yeah, nigga, that's my hometown, bitch.
Okay, then you from New York, you stupid motherfucker.
You don't even know how to say motherfucker.
She's stupid as hell.
Motherfucker.
Hey, I bet every time you cuss and shit, you gonna pass out and shit with your drunk ass. Ugly ass bitch.
I don't give a fuck.
Look. I'm reading the chat. Look. New York is 10 times worse than most cities in the United States. Thank you, Tay. Thank you.
And Memphis is a fucking cruel ass city. What the fuck you talking about?
Memphis not only run cruel city, you dumb fuck.
You better Google your shit.
Here go the stuttering.
Google your city. What the fuck you talking about, nigga?
I'm in Memphis and all that. I know how Memphis is. You said Memphis is worse.
Motherfucking city, nigga, and you would know what the fuck.
But she dumb, bro. There's nothing that she can tell me to change my mind.
You better Google your shit.
Hey, you get exposed, bro. You get exposed. I'm saving this fucking live stream. This is the best live stream ever. You exposed.
Every day. What the fuck you talking about?
Hey, look. Thorne said if she passed out in the camera, I'm not gonna be surprised. Damn.
He said if I pass out in the camera, the only reason why I will pass out in the camera is going to sleep. Because
look, my nigga Tay said Memphis is easier to get around than New Rat City. On God, but she gotta fly out here. She trying to come to Memphis.
Man, fuck your city, nigga.
And fuck New York, bitch. Now what? Do something about it. Do something.
You get New York.
Do something. Do something about it. I just say fuck your city. Do something.
So fuck your city too, nigga. What the
y'all be saying suck my dick a lot. Y'all niggas be saying that shit.
What they do?
Y'all let a rat run y'all fucking city and shit.
What the fuck?
You let Snitch 9 run your city.
This nigga can't run nothing but that soft ass speech you talking about, bitch. That's the only thing you can run.
Okay. Look, them folks say she can't fit in the airplane seat. Damn. Them folks say you don't know how to fit in the airplane seat. Damn.
This nigga say I can't fit in the airplane seat. Damn, these niggas don't even know my body. These niggas is running.
I'm tired of this fat ass hoes talking, fool.
They can't even see hear me? Put my camera on these bitches.
Bruh, I'm live streaming. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get my nigga DW on your ass. What's up, DW?
Let them see my face, bitch.
What's up, DW?
Let them see my face.
DW.
Talking.
DW.
Fuck talking.
I'm exposing this fat ass bitch, bro. She act like she hard and shit. And I'm on Monkey and I'm live on YouTube. We be arguing more than 30 minutes and shit. She thinks she hard. She said she'll come to Memphis and try to beat up my girl and shit. She from New York and shit. She got mad just because I say fuck her city, New York. And I say you let a rat run your city and shit. She have no jokes. She's fat as fuck. Look, I'm finna show you. I'm finna show you, DW. I'm gonna show you. Now she said I got no views. Look at this shit, DW. Look at her. She has no jokes. Hey, now she say fuck you. Now she say fuck you, DW. Why you say fuck DW if I told my nigga DW about you? Now, why you say fuck DW? He ain't got shit to do with it.
I ain't did shit to you. Hey, I ain't did shit to you, bitch. I was on that. Call my nigga. What's going on with your ass? Your fat ass.
Fuck him.
Now she say fuck you.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck him, nigga.
Look at my channel, bitch. You can't say fuck me. I got more.
Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga.
152. You ass
He putting you in it, nigga. Fuck you. He putting you in it.
She said I'm putting you in it.
What are you talking about? Who you
He
talking
putting you in it.
Because I know you ain't talking about me, bitch. You be like going about to take your female virgin or fat ass.
Damn, he on your ass.
He sounds slow as fuck too. Nigga, take your ass back to school, bitch.
Hey,
DW, she 34 years old. DW.
Sounding dumb as fuck too.
Yeah, she 34.
You need to go back to school too.
Hey, show us you drinking. Show us you drinking again. Hey, show us you drinking again. Hey, show us you drinking again.
That nigga sound like he's sitting on the toilet, bitch.
She talking about you sound like you sitting on the toilet.
Bitch. Fuck you. Get off your ass, bitch. And it sound like
He's at work. He's at work. He's at work.
Get off his ass. He sound like he's sitting on his bed. Shut up. He sound like he's sitting on his ass. He sound like he ain't did shit today. Motherfucker, the day just started, bitch.
Oh God, she eat all day, fool.
He sound like he been lollygagging all motherfucking day.
Hey, she thinks, she from New York, DW. I can't take her serious.
Okay, don't take me serious, bitch. Let me tell you something. Either one of you.
Right, that's what I'm saying. She let a rat run her city and she got mad.
Hey, that's why
He said, let a rat run her. Both of y'all sound like y'all. That's I don't give a shit. Both you and that second bitch.
Hey, how you feel? Hey, how you feel that your favorite rapper got his ass beat? How you feel about your favorite rapper got his ass beat?
You look like, and you sound like you been breaking things.
Now she say you sound like. Now she say you sound like you take a bath. Now she mad. She has no jokes.
You think you tough? You think you tough?
Who wanna be tough? You think you tough?
Fuck y'all.
Why she on Monkey out?
No, old ass man. Old ass man. Y'all probably talking shit to your mama.
She said we talk shit to our mama. That's the best joke you got?
You probably talk shit to your own mama. Look how somebody talk. And I bet you his mama gone. So
why would my mama gone, you dumb fuck? My mama's alive.
Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you.
No, that's what I'm saying. The mama joke's not hitting. She lame.
Why are you bringing up somebody's mama?
Oh God.
Dude, are your
because y'all disrespectful as fuck.
You can't, bro. You claim you talking about my boy mama being gone. Why? Where your mama at?
My mama, I don't know where the fuck that bitch is.
Wow, she called her mama a bitch. Wow, you a disrespectful ass bitch.
Mama, I'm sorry. Mama, I'm sorry.
No, you disrespectful. That's why you say. That's why you diss about mama.
I'm sorry. Don't tell my mama.
No. Tell her mama.
Baby, don't tell my mama.
Oh God, ain't no way she 34 acting like that. She 34 years old. Bro, DW, I'm gonna tell you how the argument started. This all started just because I talked to my nigga Adam and shit like this.
What the fuck is a BW? What the fuck is a BW? Dad washing ass? What the fuck is that? A BW?
She said, what the fuck's a DW? That's what she said.
Dad washing? What the fuck is a BW? 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 You should have named your motherfucking ass BB.
Look, she can't roll.
You know you want to hear for that.
Oh God, she don't care. She don't care.
You from New York, you talk all that shit. Your mama, do your mama know you gonna talk like that? And you a grown man doing that shit, you got kids.
Bruh, she said she working in home, bruh. Like, bruh, she probably get paid about $5 an hour, bruh, and 27 cents.
No, bitch, I need to pay
But you an in-homer.
If you do, bro, that's
Bruh, she work from home. She work from home, DW. She lazy as hell.
I don't work from my home, nigga. I work from their home. What the fuck?
Right, look, she gotta work for somebody else home. She gotta work for somebody else home,
They
DW.
know that's good money.
How the hell is it good money if you work somebody else home?
She done? Oh, yeah.
DW, not ADW. Now she called me dumb because I told her that she worked for somebody else home and she can't even get no extra other job.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Lord, don't worry about it. She ran right in front of her kids.
Where you working at?
Now she don't got no kids. She got a dog and she said she got a man. She said she don't got no kids. She only got a man and a dog. That's what she said, DW.
What?
She said she got a man and shit, but I keep telling her a couple minutes ago put her boyfriend on the camera then, but she ain't gonna do that.
Why would I put a grown ass nigga on the camera that says you don't got this between me
Right.
and you,
And then, then she add me on Monkey App and shit, and then she gonna talk about she didn't add me. Did it say accept DW? Then she talking about she didn't add me. Does it say accept? Does it say accept?
So, motherfucker, fucking still talk shit to you, nigga.
Look, she said I'm gonna keep talking shit to you. She weird.
I'm not weird. I'm a weird. You started.
You look musty as fuck. You ain't wash your ass all day.
Ooh, I've been washing my ass for like 3 days.
And then she say she not fat. And she say she not fat, bruh. And she is fat. You are fat.
I'm not. Show me.
Look, all the fat ass tits
I
and
look
shit.
good, nigga. I look
How you
good.
look? Look, she holding her titties.
I look good. Show me on the camera. Show me on the camera so they can see me.
You on my live. They can see you. Hey, DW, can you see her? Can you see her?
Yeah, I can see her, bro. I can see her. Bitch, stop splitting your fucking bitch. Stop on your titties, bitch. Where your boyfriend at?
Oh
Bitch,
my.
like you gonna get my boyfriend?
You clearly ain't
your
no
boyfriend, my boy.
boyfriend.
Where your boyfriend at? So I can roast his ass.
Hey, she ain't gonna do it. She ain't gonna put her boyfriend in
You
camera,
sound like
DW.
a
She
fat
not.
ass nigga. Shut the fuck up. You sound like a fat
Now
ass
she said you sound like a fat ass nigga. That's what she said.
Fat ass nigga too. They trying to go.
Nah,
to
she
my
going on
fat.
YouTube, DW. Don't worry, I'm gonna say the live stream. She going on YouTube.
Y'all both sound like some fat ass niggas.
We both sound some fat ass niggas, but you just say he sound
He
fat.
might be a little
How
skinny
we
in the
bad?
neck
Hold
and
on,
the
hold on.
shoulders.
How
But
they
that's
be
about
bad
it.
if you all brand to the country?
Right, we do cunts. I be explaining to her. She and guess what? She and DW. She say she famous on YouTube. And DW, she talking about DW. She talking about she famous on YouTube, but I don't see her shit. She talking about she famous on YouTube. Do you believe that, DW? She said she famous.
We never heard of you.
Right, we never heard of
We
you.
never heard of you. We never heard of you. Who are you?
Oh, bitch.
We don't need to
Right, who are you? Who are you? Then she say it's her first time using monkey.
Lawrence, hold on. What do you just sound?
She ain't gonna tell it.
Stupid ass bitch. You ain't got no fucking YouTube. Shut the fuck up.
You sound lame as fuck. You sound like you holding your tongue while you talk.
So
Shut
I
the
can
fuck up.
search you.
Bitch. Shut the fuck
Ain't go my
Shut the fuck
Ain't go
up.
my channel. I got more. I got
Show
more
your
shit
balls
than you, bitch.
that you need to go wipe your ass. 'Cause you
Now she said show your balls. She weird.
Fuck you.
How you gonna tell him to show his balls when you got a whole man?
No, I don't give a fuck.
Your
I said go
boyfriend should've
wash
shit
your
on you.
balls, bitch.
Balls.
I was waiting to show me shit.
So you gonna wipe his balls? You got a boyfriend? Like you look, she can't roast. Her jokes is corny. Her jokes are corny.
Shit, how the hell I got balls? I got a manager, stupid.
You say he
I
ain't
got a
got balls.
manager.
No, she,
That means he got one ball.
no. She said balls, like BALLS.
Bitch, 2 balls. Bitch.
No, DW. She said balls. She said balls, not balls. She said balls, like BALLS.
My balls.
Yeah, that's what she said.
What you talking about balls? Nasty as hell.
Oh God.
No, I said go wash your balls, bitch.
Now she say go wash your balls. Now she say go wash your balls.
That's what I said at the beginning. I said go wash your balls.
Oh God.
That's the whole ball.
Watch that nasty ass pussy, nigga. So you wanna talk about my balls? Watch that nasty ass pussy, nigga.
Y'all say she be talking shit for damn near an hour. Just let it go, fatty. Yeah, just let it go. You going out bad. Nah, she from New York. She from New York. Nah, she from New York. She from New York.
I understand what's so Memphis. You Memphis motherfucker.
She from New York. No, he's from. No, the person I'm talking to on the phone, he's from Alabama. Hey, the person I'm talking to on the phone, he's from Alabama. Why you still talking, bro? The person Hey, shut up. But hey, the person I'm talking to on the phone, he's from Alabama.
Okay, Alabama is different from Memphis. He's still a hood motherfucker.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
She's not coming to Alabama. Oh God.
I might find myself stuck in my and it's alright. And you might find myself stuck in your head. Do it
No, I'm a comedy ass.
Now she say she comedy. DW.
So, fuck her. Fuck her, her mama, fuck your mama, fuck their mama.
Wow. Why are you going on YouTube? My mama work also too. My mama got a job.
Mama work too.
My
My
mom work at the government. She get more money than your broke ass. And my girlfriend, and we all get money than your broke ass.
Your
NDW.
girlfriend, tell your girlfriend I want her ass.
You want she say fuck my girlfriend. My girlfriend will beat the fuck out of you, bro.
I'm ready.
And my friend girls, any one of my friend girls will kill you.
I'm ready. Tell her I'm ready.
Alright, she going out sad, bro. Look, it's been 53 minutes, y'all. Look at this DW.
You talking so much
Look,
shit.
I'm finna say this.
You ain't getting no pussy. That's why you're mad as fuck. You didn't get no pussy.
I get pussy from my girlfriend.
Fucking 10 years.
Hey, how the fuck you say I don't get no pussy and then I have a girlfriend? Come on,
You
man.
ain't getting no pussy. She might be laying right next to your ass. Ain't giving you shit.
Okay.
Shower.
Bitch, did I tell you my girlfriend at work? She's at work.
Fuck her job. Fucking McDonald's flipping burgers.
She don't work at McDonald's, you dumb motherfucker.
Hey, Lawrence, she said we don't have a week. She's gonna say fuck our girlfriend. Because one of my girlfriends from Pennsylvania. And me and her have phone sex every fucking night. And you got a girlfriend and you get pussy. So what the hell she got? Her boyfriend don't even see her. She probably at work, probably doing somewhere.
No, she can get a boyfriend. No, she can get a boyfriend.
Hey, come here. Come sit right here. Show your hands or something. You ain't even gotta show your face. Just say what's up. They say what's up. They say what's up. I'm gonna fucking put the camera on. Say what's up, say girl. Hey, say what's Hey, girl.
Hey, she won't stand up, y'all. She won't stand up. Hey, thank you for that subscribe then. Yes, sir. We're going up with your bitch ass.
Hey, subscribe my YouTube.
Hey, say girl.
Bro, that nigga land. That nigga, hey, he ain't studying your fat ass. He ain't want nothing to do with
There we
that.
go. There we go.
Look, he's showing up.
That's my motherfucking.
Look, she skipping. Yeah, skip that bitch. Yeah. Now she skip. What a wow. She skipped. She got exposed.
She fucking skill, bro. You a bitch, yo.
And I got the whole shit.
Uh-huh.
Now, bitch, say what's up to YouTube, cause you going on there, and my nigga Thorn screen recording. He finna put you on his YouTube, and I appreciate for that subscribe and shit. Y'all some real ass niggas, bro. You said what?
Hey, Dawn record the whole thing?
He say screen recorded, but I'm finna say the motherfucking live, cause she going on my YouTube also. Right? Why you dissing your own mother?
Then you around here and got there from New York. Your nigga from New York has ass being in LA City. How you feel? And you around here talking about somebody's mama, and you talking about you fuck your mama, and then you talking about your boyfriend? Come on, your boyfriend is right there.
Right. But hey, y'all, I'm finna end the live stream and I'm finna save that motherfucker on my YouTube and Twitch.